Listen, I don't know if I am in Whole Foods or if I am in Walgreens. I just don't know, okay? Because Dollar Tree got some new items, okay? You may want to stick around for, okay? When I seen these items, I said, no, they didn't, okay? Because I remember I had spent, more money than $1.25 for this, okay? Honey, check them out. Dollar Tree ain't playing. They slaying and they ain't delaying. Let's go. So Dollar Tree has these soap bags over here, these mesh bags, and you get two for $1.25. Now, honey, don't get the nails. I tried to take this polish off, and I won't be using this again. I tried to take this polish off. The polish was not coming off. I said, that ain't a good look, child, okay? But they have these soap bags that comes in two different designs. Absolutely love this. This is like the mesh bag, and then they also have this bag right here, honey, styling and definitely profiling, and these are $1.25. This is the only color right now that Dollar Tree has. They also have the exfoliate and bath cloths. I absolutely love these, washing with these, because to me, honey, is going to get you clean as opposed to a washcloth. Peace, family. Peace, 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 peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, do understand and get. Honey, I got to make sure I ain't got no lipstick on my teeth. Okay, speaking of teeth, I got a dentist appointment today, all right? So I got to be moving quickly, that is. I hope you guys are having such an amazing day. If not, do understand and get. Your day, your life is going to get better, honey, once you think twice, okay? Once you change your perception, that's when your life will begin to change, not until then, all right? Once you change your self-image, that's when you start attracting different and better things into your life, okay? So today, from the background, honey, where we at? We at Dollar Tree, in a place to be. Now listen, I heard, I was walking, uploading videos, and one of the phenomenal young ladies who is a content creator as well, she's in school and she also works at Dollar Tree. She said, hey, and honey, I was busy in my phone uploading, and I looked up and I said, oh, hey, and she was like, oh, we got so many new items. I put out some beauty stuff today, so let's see what Dollar Tree has. Now, I am in here to get some of the food items, but honey, we are doing better with our health, okay? We are eating healthier, so it's gonna be implemented into my videos, that part as well. So to the ones that's out there that, want to see juicing, you let me know in the comment section. You want to see me doing juicing videos, you want to see me making healthier dishes, let me know in the comment section, okay? All right, we moving and grooving. Moving our feet to the beat. Let me tell you something. Yesterday is of the past, okay? What you did yesterday, that's yesterday, all right? Remember, the moment you wake up, a new time clock starts, okay? And so now you have the ability to do something different. Stop thinking about yesterday. Yesterday has come and gone, all right? Let's get into this. All right, so soon as you walk in, oh, child, remember I told you guys about the spring tumblers, okay? So the Dollar Tree by my house, they definitely had them. It looks like they went kind of quick, okay? They have the orange and green just left, and that would be these, okay? These are so fancy, mancy. Honey is giving spring and summer, okay? You guys know I'm a colors girl, all right? Now, they also have these water bottles over here. These are $1.25. When I first seen these, I thought that these was going to be like $5, but they actually $1.25, and you cannot put hot liquids in here, okay, because it says it, not for hot liquids, okay, Linda? All right, now, they come in different colors. They have the pink, the blue, the gray, and that's it, okay? All right. Now, they also have these right here, these Easter dome cups. I had seen these yesterday, and I think I've seen these before, too. But these are fancy, mancy. These are $1.25. They have the bunnies up here. Really, really cool. Styling and definitely profiling. They also have the chickadee chick, okay? Honey, styling and profiling. And it also says up here, do not eat the decorations inside the lid, okay? I don't know who's been eating them, okay? But I guess somebody's been eating them for Dollar Tree to put that on there. All right, let's move on. Now, is everything in me right now that wants to get a soda, right? Like, a part of me is like, oh my goodness, the Sunkist sodas, and they have them. I'm not even going to go that way. Okay, and this is discipline. Okay, this is the discipline. Discipline is giving yourself a command to do something, right? When you don't necessarily want to do it. So a part of me don't want to pass that soda up, okay? You know, and I don't drink soda a whole lot, but a part of me don't want to pass that soda up, right? But you know, if you want better, you are going to start doing better, okay? Message. So every time I come in here and I see these Bio Swiss shaped bandages, honey, I like these, okay? They have the llama, the cool llama that is, $1.25. They also have the pineapple, really, really cool. All right, and how many of these do you get? Oh, you get 21 for $1.25. Stalin and definitely Profelin. And I'm looking for the stuff that the young lady said that they had received today, but I don't see it. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have this feminine fresh floral deodorant spray with natural cornstarch. This is $1.25. I don't remember seeing this. Probably seen it and then just walked on by. Walk on by. You remember that song? They also have the tag over here, deodorant. This is a midnight body spray, $1.25. Now, I know I have seen this already. Also, remember that Dollar Tree has the gel lip liners, okay? And I think they only have 2 of these. Oh, wait, hold on, child. They got more. Warm Nude, Plum, and Charlotte, okay? I be thinking Charlotte. Really cool. Let me see. Yeah, those are 3 colors that they have. And I had seen those before. Just in case if you guys don't know, Dollar Tree also have this new Power Collection Multi-Benefit Skincare. And this is the Power Face Wash. Is always the packaging, okay, with caffeine and microfine polymers. I think that's how you pronounce it. Honey, correct me in the comments, okay? And then they also have the Power Toner over here, Energizes, Balance, and Resurface. Okay, that's what Dollar Tree says is going to do. And then they also have, let me see, the Power Bubbling Clay Mask, okay, with bentonite, clay, and charcoal, and whatever that K word is. 4 benefits in one: purify, control oil, smooth, and clean pores. And then they also have this right here. This is the Power Moisturizer with retinol, antioxidants, and glycerin, okay, or $1.25. 5 benefits in one: hydrate, smooth, brightens, firm, and restore barrier, okay. This is definitely new, the line shower caps that Dollar Tree currently have right now. Honey, I don't know, but honey, Dollar Tree, they coming, okay, they go. This is $1.25. The colors they have black, green, black, gray, and also purple and green. You guys know I'm a greens girl. Green and gold girl, to be exact, okay? All right, they have these rubber bands. Absolutely love buying the rubber bands from here as opposed to like the beauty supply store because you get 600 count for $1.25. They also have the do-rags over here. One size $1.25. And then they also have the wave caps, okay? Now, some Dollar Trees, they have the wave caps. You get 2 for $1.25, but this store, my store where I live, they don't have the 2 for $1.25. They also have these volumizing combs, okay? So if you have an afro, if you rocking your fro, definitely these combs are so good. This is what I use at nighttime when I'm combing my hair out so I can retwist it. This is $1.25. And then they also have that pick. Honey, you're gonna need that pick to fluff out the fro, okay? And if you are a person that's on a budget, but you still like to have, you still like to have your apartment looking fancy, okay? Looking up to par, right? Dollar Tree has these soap dishes, which are $1.25. And let me tell you something, because I got a message. It's not about where you currently are now. It's about where you wind up at, okay? Don't look at your life and your situation and think, oh, well, I have to stay here. No, you don't. That's a lie. That would be a lie. Okay. You can always move forward because you have the ability to do so. And not only that, you have unlimited potential. Okay. So they have the soap dishes over here. These are $1.25. The toothbrush holders. And then they also have the hand soap dispensers. Okay. Which are $1.25. So the 3 colors, is there 3 or 2? Because this gray is looking black. Okay, so it's gray. They have the gray, the black, and the blue. But what I absolutely love, right, when you come to Dollar Tree is the choices. They have this ceramic, okay, toothbrush holder. I have one in my bathroom, is actually white. And then they also have the soap dish. I really don't care for putting like bars of soap on here. I prefer having like the soap dispenser as opposed to this, because this things get, you know, dirty and stuff like that. And no, I don't do this. But they was selling this, and these are the only two items that they currently have right now, is this color, and I think these are the only two pieces. But if you go to your local Dollar Tree, maybe they have other colors and other pieces. So look at Dollar Tree being fancy mancy, right? So they have the 2 shower caps, all right, with the avocado and the little circles and big circles. You get 2 of these for $1.25, and you know these normally are the good ones as opposed to the plastic ones, all right, because those plastic ones, these are plastic too, but these, okay, you use them, wait, hold on, child, you use these and then throw them out. I thought this said 100, honey, that say 10 pieces, okay? I was about to say, Lord. Now, of course, Dollar Tree also have the hair towels, the Skin to Mate, okay, that comes in 2 different colors. I believe they had the pink as well, but this is super soft and absorbent. Microfiber helps to reduce drying time. This is $1.25. They also have these eye masks over here, Wake Me Up for Brunch. Now, we had seen these like probably a few months ago. These are $1.25 as well, and it appears they only have 2 left. They also have these headbands over here. These are the shower headbands, to be exact. These are $1.25. They come in 3 different colors. They have the pink, the blue, and also the purple. So Dollar Tree also have this wallpaper. I had showed you guys this the other day. My fave is definitely this, all right, with the gold. Love it. Absolutely love it. And honey, they showing you, okay? They showing you how it's gonna be fancy, pantsy, mancy. Now, these are $1.25. Let me know in the comment section which one is your fave, okay? Really, really cute. They also have these signs up here that says be humble, be gentle, be kind. They also have this sign over here which says home, where our story begins. These are really, really cute sayings and cute signs. They also have this decor over here, always and forever, honey. I was gonna say always a flower and forever, $1.25. Really, really cute. They also have this sign right here that says porch over here. This is fancy pantsy mancy, honey, looking like Lancy. All right, look at this. Okay, honey, you guys know I am a detail. Wait, hold on, child. I know Dollar Tree did. I know they did. Honey, you see this? Now, I was just about to say I'm a details girl. Honey, this is detailed to the fullest. I absolutely love this picture frame. Okay, get into this. This is cute. Oh, child, this is cute. And then you know what? I'm getting the idea. You can get some metallic gold paint and spray this like where that wood is. Child, fancy pantsy mancy. Dollar Tree is doing a big one. They stepping up for you and me. Okay, family, so I made it back in the house, okay. I got a few items from Dollar Tree. First up, I have gotten this almond milk. I never tried their almond milk a day in my life that I recall, okay. I know my oldest son, he tried their almond milk, but I never tried their almond milk, okay. And this was something that I wanted to get. This was more convenient because I'm gonna do a smoothie in a few minutes, all right. And then I also had got these poppers, okay, from Friday's cream cheese stuffed jalapenos and stuffed with cream cheese and a crispy blend. And then I also wanted to try the spinach and artichoke dip, and then I got some corn chips to pair it with it. So one of the things that I want to say to you is this: when we are making changes in our lives, I don't want to say is the hardest thing, right? But it definitely requires discipline, right? And honey, let me tell you something. I wanted that Sunkist soda like yesterday, okay? All right, let me just be honest. And I really don't drink sodas like a whole lot, But I definitely wanted that blue raspberry sun-kissed soda. I wanted it, but I didn't take it. I left it. So discipline, okay? And there's gonna be times where as though you probably fall off the bandwagon, and that is okay. But when you see that you have slipped, you get back on. And if I can recommend anything, it would definitely be Psycho Cybernetics. Okay, because this is one of the books that talks about self-image. And no matter how much you try to change the outside, whether it's your weight, whether it's your health, whether it's your finances, if you don't get to how you view yourself and what's going on in the subconscious mind, you will continuously keep doing the same exact thing. You will continuously keep on slips. I don't want to say slip, but you will continuously keep falling. Is you have to be disciplined. You have to be disciplined. And I'm not only talking to you guys, I'm talking to myself too. Okay. So yeah, so I catch you guys on the next one. So I'm gonna be doing smoothies in the morning. All right. Most mornings. So I hope to see you guys there. All right, doing smoothie live smoothies. Okay. All right. Until next time. Peace.